Okay, so remember that we cut out for this back piece 10.5 inch by 4 inches. Now we are going to cut out the chipboard for it. We're going to cut out 2 pieces of chipboard. You'll measure the height of your box now. This should give you 5.5 because of the zipper part. Okay, so 5.5 inch. So you're going to cut out chipboard, 2 pieces of chipboard 5.5 inch, and you're going to glue your carton on it. You can see where the 4 inches is getting, so measure 1/2 inch out and then glue on the 1 inch piece. So you're going to have it this way after gluing down. You can see. So the trick to the box opening is this space that you will have there, so you have to ensure that you get it right. So that's how you're going to glue it down. So I'll glue down my upper piece. I've glued down one, so I'll glue this down and I'll show you what is next. Okay, so I'm done. Now I'm going to wrap with my lining. I'm going to wrap this part. I'm going to apply gum and wrap with my lining. Okay, so I have wrapped the back with the lining. So I applied gum on the edges all around, and I'm just going to put down my fabric. Now remember that when you are cutting for your fabric, for each piece you always have to have extra pieces so that it will go around this way. So the second piece of chipboard that you cut out, you're going to wrap with your fabric. Okay, so I made a little bit of mistake earlier. You're only supposed to wrap the sides this way. You're leaving the upper part and the bottom part open. You do the same thing for your fabric piece also. Just wrap only these sides and leave the longer parts open this way. Okay, so you take your box and apply gum on the inside here, just here. Apply gum there. So I'm applying my gum. So I've applied my gum here. Now I'm going to put it on the inside of my box. You can see how I'm doing it. Hold on, let me adjust my camera. Okay, so on the inside this way. Now the excess, you have to ensure that you have the space part at the zipper part here. So it's going to be on the inside this way. Then glue down. That's why you have the excess fabric on the edge here. Glue it down. If it's not gluing down properly, just apply